Alright, so today we got a little new toy here. I've got the pneumatic spark plug cleaner from Harbor Freight, about 18 bucks. I decided rather than just keep throwing away spark plugs that I know are good, but the customer, expects fresh new ones. But in any case, I decided I'm going to start cleaning up some of these spark plugs. And this is what I've got based on research on the internet and stuff like that. There's not a lot of choices to choose from. And this looks like it's as good as anything. So I picked one up, and let's open this box up and find out what we got inside. Alright, so here's the bag that goes on the top. Inside we've got the abrasive material. Here's the instruction booklet. It's actually kind of thick. Wonder how many languages are in it. And we'll pull out the cleaner itself. So, box is empty. So there's the cleaner. Looks like it's got some mounting tabs. You can mount it to a workbench or a wall. We'll have to read the instructions to find out what that's all about. Okay. This is the there's a cover over the rubber end where you're going to put your spark plug. So here's the spark plug, and you put your spark plug in there. And that's got to be tightened. We'll put some thread on pipe dope or tape on there, and we'll tighten this in. I believe that's the fitting that will work with my air hose. Okay, let's look at the instructions and see what's going on. Alright, so it says right here in the instructions that the spark plug cleaner operates best when it is mounted to a wall. So follow the steps below to properly mount your spark plug cleaner to a wall. So select a spot. We're going to mount it like so. And then it says to make sure that this bar on the side is in the upright position. And then you're supposed to take the abrasive material and pour it down here into the bottom of the cleaner. And then you're going to take the bag and you're going to mount the bag. There's a clamping system here. Mount the bag to the spark plug cleaner. And we're going to install this again with some Teflon tape. And it says here that you want to set your air compressor at 90 psi, no more than 90 psi. And then once your spark plug is in this hole and the bag is on here, you can press this and that'll start cleaning your spark plug. If you want, it says here in the next day, for increased cleaning of your spark plug, switch the bar to this position. You'll see what happens there. Basically, it opens this hole up inside, and then this will swirl the air abrasive mixture around your spark plug. Well, I thought that's what was going on anyway. So anyway, so then you're done. You press the button, you're cleaning, and then you're done. And it says pull the spark plug out. You might want to blow it off a little bit with some air. So let's mount this thing up and see what's going on. Alright, so I put some Teflon tape on here and inserted that good and tight. Now we're going to take the abrasive material, pour it into the bottom section of the cleaner. Then we're going to loosen this clamp. See, this is probably going to be the hardest part about the whole thing. check on something here. Yeah, there's a lip. We got to make sure it's down below this lip. There, I think that's plenty tight. Now I think we're ready to mount it on the wall. Alright, so I just kind of picked a spot on my wall. I don't have a real good spot for this, and I know it's not going to use very often, so I got my air hose hooked up to it, set at about 90 psi, and there it is. So let's put a spark plug in there and see what happens. Alright, so here is a spark plug that's a little bit dirty, but it was just in a machine that was running, so I know it works. Let's see what kind of a difference we can make. Yeah, it did clean it up. I don't think I have to do any more than that. It works. I like it. Cool. Thanks for watching.